XRP, we start with 1 hour chart. If you refer to our analysis in my last video, we mentioned if we get any correction, we can look for buy. No, we get this one. No, we want to see whether this is a correction for buy or not. First of all, we need to see how deep this one can go. All right, before we look for buy. But one thing we need to be aware that if the possibility we get the correction here for price for one more drop, because as I mentioned, we want to see how deep this one can go. For me, I'm not looking for sell. If I get any opportunity, look for buy. I mean, for buy, I will get the here. No, I'm looking for buy, and I want to see how we can trade it. How deep this one can go before we look for trade. Because if the price continue from here, either we have entry above the top or we look for the sharp move flag. Rather than that, we don't have any other option. But can we expect this one to become a deeper? Yes. That's why we mentioned if we get a correction here, we can expect for one more drop. Okay, but as I mentioned, for me, I'm not looking for sell. Even for the XRP, even right now based on 15 minutes, we can expect for one more drop. Okay, even for XRP, we can expect to get a big correction. This one turned to a big correction. Even we can expect this one, if we get a correction here, for the price to retest this low. But at this time, still, if I get any opportunity for buy, I will look for buy rather than the sell. Okay, and if we move to for daily chart, we have nothing. The only thing is we want to see what we get here and how complex can be this correction, because already we are out of this. We want to see whether we get the opportunity for continuation. And even if we move to forward chart, this is what I mentioned. Either this is a correction for continuation, or this one can turn to a deeper correction as a flat. That's why if we want to look for buy, almost we are near to the previous top. We need to be quite careful. But as I mentioned, I'm looking for buy. If I get any trade set up for buy, I will look for buy. And if this one turns a deeper correction, it can give me better confirmation rather than what we have right now. Even we mentioned if the price continue from here, how this is the, I mean, how we can look for trade. Anyway, we just follow the chart. And if I see any update, I will share. Thanks.